Well, welcome back to your home. I'm Jeremy and this is Alicia, and we're here at sunny Smith Mountain Lake again, talking about the home we have featured the past several weeks. We're going to look at a little bit closer in depth of the final product. And Alicia, why don't you tell us a little bit about the exterior?
Yeah, first of all, the exterior updates were pretty extensive. We removed all the siding, added this gorgeous new blue board and batten with white trim. We updated all the exterior decks. They have 2 levels. We added Trex composite product, glass rails, a screened-in porch with beautiful ceiling fans on the bottom level. We'll show you the rest of that, but first let's go inside and see the inside updates.
Let's take a look. Now, if you didn't see the previous episodes, what we're standing in right now used to be the garage. We came in, demoed all of the garage work, set some big beams in here, opened this big family room up to a new kitchen, ran all the plumbing, electrical, as you see, with the new cabinetry, new granite. It is a really updated area.
One of the key things they really wanted was to open up the space, so we added these gorgeous vaulted ceilings with the tongue and groove and the beams, and also added a lot more windows, which gives them a ton of natural light. This kitchen was completely custom. They've got 2 full-size fridges. They do a whole lot of entertaining, so they need plenty of room for that, as well as a beverage chiller. They've got this large island, which they're going to be able to seat probably 4 or 5 folks around, so they are really excited about living in this kitchen. So previously, this was a very closed off room with lots of small spaces. We knocked out every wall that we could possibly knock out, and that left room for a really beautiful element, which is these custom rails around the stairs. It opened up the space and also gave them a nice element just to showcase. We did custom woodwork on the newel post, on the columns, and it just adds a really nice touch to this room. So now we're back down in the basement, and one of the goals for this space was to add a second master with an ensuite, as well as enlarge the existing bathroom area. As you can see, we added a new custom mini bar across this wall. They've got a new master, and the bathrooms are gorgeous with custom walk-in showers.
Now, being on Smith Mountain Lake, one key feature of this house is being able to use it all the time outside. Our homeowners wanted a see-through screen, so that's what we gave them. Trex rails, aluminum balusters, all maintenance-free project here. Of course, we are a Trex Pro. If you're needing an outdoor space, we can certainly help you out with this.
One of the key things for this was being able to use it. Even if it's raining outside, you can still enjoy this outdoor space. We added this underdecking product so that it's dry when it's raining. They've got ceiling fans to give them a cool breeze. It's a great place just to be able to sit and enjoy this view. So the final piece of this pie was this upper deck. You've got these gorgeous glass rails so that you're not impeding the view of the lake. It's such a beautiful place just to sit, relax, enjoy the view. Just keep in mind the next time you're considering a renovation project that we can help you from concept to completion, help you with design, renderings, interior design. We're going to help you every step of the way so that you get the exact product that you envisioned.
Check us out on the website, fs4seasons.com, and on Facebook as well. And you can call us anytime for free estimates.
And right after the break, Emily's going to speak with the homeowners, and you can hear it straight from them what it was like to work with F&S Building Innovations.